Hi guys, welcome back to Cece's Creative Corner. Today we are doing a challenge. Now, here's my friend Jaden.
Hi guys.
And we are doing a challenge where close your eyes, pick one of these numbers, and number 1 and 2. And there is boxes off the screen. My mom's going to keep filling them in and bringing them to us. We have no clue what are in them for each round. And say we get box number 1, then we get box number 1 of those. And if we get box number 2, then we get box number 2. And if you think we're cheating because there's like no numbers on them, there's on one of the boxes there's like a little number on like a little mini sticker like this big or something, and it says number 1, and then the other box is number 2. So let's get started. So you have to pick these.
You go first.
You can if you want to. Just finish it.
I got number 2.
And I got number 1. I made the box. I made number 2, and then she made.
Doesn't this look like it's from ancient Greece?
Yeah.
Greece?
I accidentally did that. Just put it in there. That's the side. And then this. I got white glue.
I got this like tan glue. So now we just like pour the glue in.
Yeah.
Like, do you just like put all of it
Yeah.
in?
I kind of like mine. She got a brownish tan.
I'm okay with it, but I would have probably preferred the white glue.
I mean, once we mix it, like with this thing, I'm not gonna mix till next round because then I'll actually have something in it. But you can because like it's kind of like that.
Ooh, this actually looks really cool.
So
It looks like a marble thing. So I kind of really like this glue.
hello everyone. Bye bye.
I think that this first. Is that good? Is that enough? I don't know. Is that enough?
That's as best as I could get out. So I'm just gonna go like that. I just kind of want to put this in here. I know I said I want this till next round.
Can I keep it
It's
out?
so glossy looking and fun. So you can
Yeah, I know I said 2, but I want to figure out what color this
I'm
actually
gonna go
is.
over here.
It looks cooler without mixing, but you know, it's gonna be
It's
slime
gonna-
anyway,
Yeah, it's
so
gonna.
it doesn't really matter. We're gonna have to mix it.
And I do not know what challenge this is called because I kind of made it up. So now it's time for me to choose a number. Fun.
Same as last time.
Same. I saw it and I was like, I think I got good luck with that.
Let's see what we got. Oh!
I got turquoise.
And I got purple. So now we're just bring that over.
I'm just gonna put. Well, mine's gonna be turquoise slime apparently.
Well, mine's like.
You don't know what color yours is gonna be, basically.
Yeah, like it could turn out as anything, really.
I wonder what the next things are. It's kind of nerve-wracking, although it doesn't look like it. But like, cause say there's black paint, I could end up getting black paint. I'm just saying, guys. Just saying, I could end up getting black paint. Well,
Yeah, even though you don't know if there is black paint.
there might be, there might not. But hopefully, if there is, I don't want it, and I don't want you to get it. So hopefully, there just isn't.
Yeah.
I think I'm good with this. Screw the cap on. I think that's probably good.
That's actually really pretty. Isn't that a pretty color? These are 2 really pretty colors.
So you could just close the cap and then put it with your stuff. And I got these
Okay.
new things for activator. And you
There's
just
two.
go like that.
So now the activator shouldn't take as long
Because then we have to share.
as last time.
Okay. Now you put it first. Close your eyes. And shuffle through this a little bit. I know which one I got. Number 2.
Number 1.
First time
Finally.
getting. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Let's open.
That means I got the white paint.
That means yours is gonna turn like a lighter purple.
Okay, so now mine's gonna become lighter. So I'm not gonna add that much because I don't want it that much lighter. Let's just see
Ew.
how that is.
Okay, here we
I
go.
don't know. You never know how your slime's gonna turn out when you do these
I
kind
put
of things.
3 pumps of soap.
And I put a tiny bit of white paint. Ooh, that's actually turning out really good. I don't think I need any more.
That's actually pretty.
Isn't that pretty, Cece?
Yep.
I might actually add a little bit more. I know I said I wasn't, but it might turn out really good.
Guys, if you're wondering what the water is, I'm just gonna wash my hands a little bit. Because I accidentally touched glue. So, we have here. Get a new stick, 'cause the other one got a little bit messy. Sorry about that, guys. I might need like another paper towel. But I'm sorry about that.
Isn't that really pretty?
Sorry, guys. Okay, next one. Is it my turn to pick or yours?
Yours,
I'm just gonna shuffle them in my hand.
I got number 2 again.
Well, I mean, you got one last time.
True, but still.
Here, let's do 1, 2, 3, and then open together.
1, 2, 3. I got rainbow.
That's, I think, blue.
I got purple and rainbow. Well, you got really good colors.
I got pink and gold, I think. I mean, I like my colors because pink and gold makes rose gold. I'm not gonna add in the whole thing, but I think I got it pretty good for my thing. Whoa. Whoa.
Whoa, that is so cool. I mean, this glitter, both my glitters are mostly silver. So I'm gonna have silver glitter
Wait,
mostly.
you got purple and blue.
Yeah. But still, it's really pretty, even though it's mostly silver.
And if you're wondering
Whoa,
where I
that's
got
almost-
these glitters, I have no clue. But
Oh,
these
maybe not.
glitters,
Maybe add a little
I
bit more.
I used all of them in the glitter bomb slime, but then my mom got new glitters, which is good because I used up all my glitters.
Wait,
This is
glitter?
actually really pretty. I'm happy with how my slime turned out so far. So I think it's pretty.
Mine is very glittery, even though you can't see it. I added a lot of glitter. Like a lot, a lot.
Yes. And you want to go to the next one?
We're gonna do the next. Okay. So it's my turn to pick
A
first.
good thing to do is go like this and just shuffle them in your hand and close your eyes. Okay, because whenever you want to choose one.
Seriously? Again?
Seriously.
Again.
I mean, I got number 1. I've been getting pretty good luck. So
Okay.
1, 2, 3.
Whoa, yay! I got exactly what I wanted. Vanilla extract.
And I
got
got
lemon.
lemon, which I think vanilla goes good with yours, and I think lemon goes good with mine. I don't remember the first one. Because I got gold glitter and yellow gold, kind of the same thing.
Now, the only thing I don't like about the vanilla extract is it's brown.
But I mean, at least it gives you a good smell. And you're starting to start out the color was brown, so.
Yeah, so it isn't really doing
And the
that
next
much.
round is the last one.
I'm pretty sure, I think.
Yeah, it is. I'm pretty sure because my mom told me before.
Yeah, so I'm pretty sure.
I'm just gonna put. Oops, no me. My hands smell like lemon.
My hands, well, this hand smells like vanilla.
Okay, next round. My turn to pick.
Wow, I got number 1!
And I got number 2.
For twice in my life. 1,
2.
2, 3. Oh man, I got
I want to switch with you now. I have to add some these.
and I have to add baking soda. Baking soda or baking powder?
Baking soda.
Oh, wait, I'm just gonna add a tiny bit because we're not supposed to add the whole thing.
I'm actually just gonna add in 1. Oh, I think I might have to.
That's gonna be kind of weird though, if you just add 1.
I'm trying to just do one color. It's gonna be kind of hard to pick out colors.
I added it. I didn't you never necessarily said how much to add.
True.
It's just add it. So now I'm ready
just gonna
for
hold this.
my activator. So Cece, can I start activating?
Here, one moment. After I get this, then sure. We'll activate together.
Actually, I don't know. Should I are we allowed to go back and add?
If it was the one, if it was the baking soda, then you can. So you want to start activating?
Yeah.
Just take off the red cap.
Got the red cap.
So much easier. And I'm only adding a little bit at a time, otherwise it will get bad. So as you can see, it's like starting to form.
Mine's starting to form. So.
And if you hear talking in the background, sorry, you probably do. My uncle and my dad. Maybe my brother, but probably maybe
Her brother is normally
in his room,
so.
let's keep activating. So
Keep activating it
hopefully
until
you
you're
got
happy
this
with the
video.
texture and it's activated enough to bring it out.
Hopefully you guys like this video
Hopefully.
because it was fun to us.
Yeah, mine's still really gluey. I'm just gonna add that. This is really still gluey. Oh, it's forming. It's almost ready to go.
And you have to go in with your hands when it's kind of sticky.
Oh, it's still really gluey. I just felt it.
Because you don't want to overactivate. Now it's good. Here.
Is
Here.
that good?
Well, if you put it up like that, then it gets kind of stringy. So just telling you, don't put it up like that.
She's gonna finish off the slime, maybe because I can't. Apparently, I'm gonna go wash my hands.
I could do it right there, and I could show them this. So it's a little bit gluey, but barely any. So I'm just gonna put it in. Ooh. So what I'm gonna do
turned out really good, didn't it?
Yes, just give me a minute.
Yeah.
This is how you...
I think that might be. Is that?
Here, guys. Okay, just have
You have to
Just a
knead
few.
it.
a few more minutes.
Can I play with yours?
Sure.
This is still a little sticky.
It's not sticky at all. It's
Yeah, you
sticky.
kind of have to play with it a little.
Here you go. And yours is not sticky at all.
But she's right, it isn't. And it's really so stretchy.
Put some of her slime on mine, apparently.
Apparently.
Well, this was a really fun video. I mean, I like my slime. I like the texture. It's very fun.
Yeah,
And-
mine too. Even though it's mostly glitter. Even though it's just glitter. I think,
this video was a success because
yes.
at least we have
We
slime.
ended up with both good slimes. So I think it is
And
that
mine has
that's a success.
a nice texture, and it's really, really, really glittery, as you can see.
Hers is more glittery than mine, but
And
probably not actually. Mine's just probably harder to see.
well, this was a good video. Comment down below which slime you like better, and give this video a big thumbs up. And like the video, share with friends and families. Please subscribe, and see you next time.